What's up, guys? It's Raph. RAFCAVE. Welcome back to another unboxing. Now, this one here is a really fun unboxing because I have a spot in the RAFCAVE background be perfect for this particular item I'm about to unbox, which you saw in the thumbnail. But right there is going to be a perfect spot for the merc with a mouth. Deadpool. Wade Wilson. How cool. Red and black matches my red and black mic. Red XLR cable. Red Mall back there. Red Lucid Sound headphones. Be off the hook. I saw this and I was like a talking Deadpool head with over 600 phrases. Mature. With movable facial expressions? Yes. Let's get this unboxed, guys. Just got it in today. Oh, the brown box. That just means more. You know what? Black pin. Oh, sweet. Oh, this is so cool. Right away, it's got a busted UPS tracking label. How cool. Oh, I know this box looks awesome too. Alright, let's pull this thing out. Who's that? Deadpool head. Body not included. Look at that. 600 plus lines of dialogue, expressive movement, app enabled, and licensed by Marvel. Look at the text. Look at the pictures on this box. They're hand drawn by Mr. Poole himself. With the head in the freezer. Shake it. Sleep with it. Put it in somewhere. Party head. Oh my goodness. That's Subbies. Subbies fish tacos. Let's get physical. This side up. This box is fantastic. Marvel Legends. World's worst alarm. This is pretty cool. The app. Oh, sweet. Bluetooth. Wow. How cool is this box? To the top of this thing. Chuck. Brown shipping. Not tacos. What does it say there? So many calories. Handle with care. So yeah, this is going to be pretty cool. Alright, let's get this box opened. Great design. Got a little tape back here. It actually feels like it's got texture on this tape. That's cool. Awesome. Can't wait to put this thing. Black pin. Deadpool is hilarious. Just a cool character. I hope you've seen both his movies. Hopefully a third one is made. Him and Wolvie. Gotta get together someday. Alright. Deadpool's head. Instruction manual. Pretty basic stuff. Now this takes 4 C batteries. Okay, show you that in a minute. This talks about the Bluetooth pairing for the app. Right. Top layer. This is how it's packaged. Top layer. Woo! Oh my gosh, he looks awesome. Wonder if it'll come up like this. Nope. It's got a bottom piece too. Hello! Deadpool's here! Merc with the mouth! Definitely moves around a lot. All right, in the bottom, you gotta take these little tabs off. Good size to him, too. Good size, good weight. You are free. There he is. It looks so cool. So, really good texture. It feels like it's actually his outfit, one that he stitched himself. Got a fun little flap in the back. I mean, this is authentic. Ears. Alright, so on the bottom. Let's get serious now. On the bottom, you have the battery cover here. If you Phillips screwdrivers there. Or Phillips screws. And you got your on and off, and then the Bluetooth pairing button. I'm going to put the batteries in him. Turn them on and see what happens when I activate them. Alright, let's get it. Alright, batteries are installed. I'm about to flip Wilson's head on for the first time. You guys ready? Mr. Pool, welcome to the RAFCAVE.
Hey there, newbie. I know what you're thinking. How in the did Mohawk Wade Wilson lose his body? I'll save you the back issue nosedive. Just say this. Never surprise Green the back. Not even on his birthday. Flash forward to now. So, what's your name anyway?
My name is Raph.
I heard Bob.
No, I'm Raph.
Pleasure to meet you, Bob. Look, Bob, just because I don't have a body doesn't mean you can't have some fun. You can pick me up, shake me, smack me up, flip me, and rub me down.
Bell paper. Nice. You're funny. How's that feel, Mr. Pool?
That's great. Well, session's over. $30,000.
Okay. Well, guys, this is pretty cool. I'm going to download the app. Connect him.
That was actually kind of...
Okay, calm down. Alright, download the app.
Hold on.
Now we'll go, okay. And then now you're going to have, make me do more, all kinds of sayings. Make me do...
What is thy bidding, mouth master?
What do we want? Bridge prank. Activate light change. Setting up the prank right now.
Activation complete.
Nice. Alright, prank in progress. Alright, let's try this. Alexa, turn off basement. Alexa, turn on basement. Trying to close his eyes is too bright. Alexa, turn on basement.
Ate my chimichanga. I was saving it for lunch, I just had the weirdest dream.
Oh, did you?
I was a severed head on a nerd shelf. Oh God!
No.
It was real.
You.
It was real.
You are a severed head, and you're in the RAFCAVE. You be happy. There he is. Deadpool in the RAFCAVE. Awesome. Alright guys, thanks for watching this unboxing video. You guys have a great day. If you want to pick this up, I'll leave a link in the description below. Otherwise, have a great day. Home theater rules. Work with the mouth is here. Alright guys, peace.